Good morning, everybody, and it's Thursday, and here is the finished braid. Now, I actually finished this, it fully dried, I think on Sunday or Monday, I think it was Sunday, but I was just busy this week and didn't find the time to film like I am now today, so it came out wonderfully. I'm thinking in the future, since this is like a superwash, I think what I might do in the future is put the dye on first and then add vinegar. But I actually love the effect that it, all the, you know how superwash tends to strike pretty quickly? I love that effect. And that's what happened here. So that's why you saw me add some of the dye with the squirt bottles first, and then I decided to say I'm going to use some powder this time to add some extra effect. And in the end, it kind of does the same thing. I suppose I really should have tried putting vinegar on second to let the dye kind of absorb where it wants to go, but that's okay. So I thank y'all for subscribing who have done so already, and if you haven't, maybe consider it, because it really boosts the channel and everything. And if you like my videos, just drop a thumbs up or a like. And if you're interested, like I mentioned before, about these specific acid dyes that I use the Jacquard acid dyes. You can find Amazon affiliate links in the description. So it is super soft and fluffy. I don't think I'll have to get a video out of me spinning this before Halloween, but you know, I like these colors anyway, and I don't think it's really gonna matter what time of year that this gets spun up, but I'll still film the results. So thank you all for watching. I really do appreciate y'all. Bye and have a wonderful day.